All right, welcome back, traders. It's Teamwitherving here. Welcome to another session. Today is Saturday. Today we are gonna be recording our 3-week forex forecast for the week. This is the very first week of March, guys. So March 1st to the 5th, 2021, trading our multiple time frame system. So let's go. Remember, this is only the pre-week. Tomorrow, Sunday, we are going to be doing our weekly forecast. Make sure you do subscribe so you will not miss any content from us. Anyway, it is free, right? It's not costing you anything. All you have to do is what? Is hit that bell notification so you will never ever miss any content from us. So let me show you what we're going to be doing today, guys. So we're going to be reviewing 4 pairs, and hopefully you guys do agree with me. If you do disagree, please let me know in the comment below, because that is the only way that I'm going to be able to help you. All right, so we are going to go ahead and start with USDJPY. Pay attention what USDJPY is doing. It's very important for you anyway to know exactly what the market is going to do next week. So remember, this is for the March 1st to the 5th, 2021, trading our multiple time frame system. The link is here above. So it's TWEForexSystem.com. If you guys find this video very interesting, I will be leaving the link of our multiple time frame below. And remember, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader trying to show you how to squeeze and make hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of what? And hundreds of pips. All right, so let's get to work. All right, so this is what I have for USDJPY. Market here was in a buy position previously, and they give us a PV going, and then it continued as a buy, because anyway, USDJPY, it is bullish, guys. Please guys, look at this one. Buy, and more buy. And what else? What's the market doing right now? Real time market, it's still going bullish. Look at that. Boom. What is my understanding for this coming week, guys? Market still bullish. There's no sign yet of market getting in a sell position, unless if you do see it in your system. I don't know what kind of system you are using, but whatever system you are using, if you are seeing a bearish position yet, please comment below. Let's go ahead and work together as a team, because the market is huge, right? So all I'm seeing here is market's still gonna be pushing 1 or 2 candle here, most likely doing what? Retesting this area, this multiple time area here, basically right here, and then from there, boom, market will continue as a bullish, because it's bullish. Market is bullish. It's giving us a signal here. Hey, I'm getting ready for that sell. But it doesn't mean just because the system said to there's a sell position in there, you're gonna jump. Wait. We trade here with rules. So once, let me delete all this stuff so you will not get confused. I don't want you to get confused. I want you to understand multiple time frame, sweet, nice and easy. So right, once we get fully confirmation in this area, what do you think the market is gonna do? Boom! It will drop. And this drop here, guys, this is what I want you guys to understand. This drop here is gonna be a PV equal VV. That's what USDJPY is gonna do this coming week, March 1st to the 5th. But currently, yesterday, Friday, the market was still pushing bullish, guys. So we're looking maybe on Monday or either on Tuesday, we're gonna see this bearish position here, and boom, we're gonna go with the market. All right, because that's what you need to be trading. You need to be trading with the system. All right. So if the market is bullish, only trade bullish. If the market is bearish, only trade bearish, period. All right, so come and join us if you want to make hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollars with us trading our multiple time frame. Make sure you like, comment, and share, and subscribe, and let's count these dollars. And become a member as well. All right, let's go, guys. Let's move forward. Let me show you the next pair that I have for you. Let me know if you do have any question, any comment. I'm here with you live anyway. The next one is silver. Who is planning to trade silver this week, guys? silver still a bearish position. Someone may say, Irving, what are you talking about? Well, pay close attention. I'm gonna explain this one very well. I'm gonna take my time basically. Look at this. First, look, this is trading multiple time frame. Look at what our radar is letting us know. Boom, everyone is selling, right? You seeing it, right? Selling, right? Now pay attention what our signal is letting us know here. Once came, say, hey, I'm on a sell position. Another signal come in, the magic arrow come in and say, hey, Irving, I'm selling. So now the question is, what is the market doing? Is the market dropping or is the market going bullish? The market is dropping. You are absolutely correct. So this is the next move. What I'm saying, look guys, here, remember, I'm not your financial advisor. This is only for educational purpose, but this is what I'm seeing here. Market will still reverse back down, retesting this brothers and sisters here. If it disrespect this area, we'll come back to our 78.6 Fibonacci line, all these levels here, but most likely it will come here, retesting this magic arrow here, and then maybe don't mind it on Tuesday. I would say maybe on Tuesday, guys, or Monday, whatever. Market will give us a what? It will give us a bullish, a PV going where? Boom! Going bullish. That's what I'm seeing. Unless if you are seeing something else that I just not seeing it. I'm here with you. Remember, guys, we can disagree and many other things, guys, many other items in here, but we must agree how to analyze the market together. We need to work as a team. Look, this is my philosophy. I always say, and I want to tell everyone, guys, look, this is all I care. All I care is what is going to happen, guys, to be honest. This is my philosophy. All I want to know is what is going to happen on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and what? And money payday, Friday. To be honest, a lot of all the traders, pay attention. You can watch those videos. All the traders will tell you, hey, if the market was bullish here, you need to go bullish. If the market was sell here, you need to go bearish. Same thing here, bearish, bullish. They will teach you back data. Back data do not make you money. Pure it. Stop it. Stop it. It already happened. You can use that as a levels. But if you don't know how to trade, then you should consider who you need to pick. I'm not saying to pick me, because you don't have to pick anyone. You need to do your homework and figure out who is working with your style. But you need to know what is going to happen on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. All right, let's move on. What about EURGBP, brother? I told you the market was in a buy position on this particular pair. Look at what our system is letting us know, guys. Look at this, is a beast, guys. March is on fire, guys. March, it is on fire. You know what? Let me show you something. Because March, it is on fire. So what you need to know is the following, guys. This is very nice. Let me see if I can find it so I can show it to the world, because you guys need to know. And what? Pay attention. Ready? 1, 2, 3, let's go. Boom! Teamwitherving is on fire. Yes, sir. And that is exactly what March is gonna do, guys. March, it is on fire. Pay attention what our multiple time frame told us here. Hey, Irving, we're going where? We're going bullish, right? And look at that bullish. Boom! Look at here. Multiple time frame told us here. Hey, Irving, we are coming back down, doing a what? A PV. Yes! Yes! I agree with this. Market here is bearish, guys. If you said that this is not a PV, look at this one. Market is dropping so freaking heavy. Look, it came and retest this beautiful level here. Look at this, our system. So our system is giving us a continuation of the trend. So market here is gonna come down, retesting that 38 to our 23 Fibonacci. Why am I saying that level? Pay close attention, guys. I get very excited on this. This is my life. And bear with me with the chat room. Sometimes I try to read all the questions, sometimes I don't, guys, but it doesn't mean that I'm not here. I also read them and answer it as best on my knowledge, right? But look at here, market is dropping. I'm saying market is gonna come back to this level. Why? Because look at this level here, guys. Multiple support and resistance. 1, 2. Oh my goodness, look at this gorgeous area in here. And look at what I have at my level, right on it. So what am I expecting to see here? I'm expecting to see a continuation of what, guys? What is the market doing here? Market is bullish. And this is what the market is gonna do. It's gonna continue bullish, retesting our 61.8 Fibonacci line, and then boom, market will come down. All right, do me a favor, guys. It's very important for me to be honest, because hey, look, I'm taking my time to give you the best of the best, guys. I think I do deserve for you to hit that bell notification in there, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Become a member if you want to become a member. Let's count the money together and join our multiple time frame. You want to do that? That is fine. But make sure you subscribe. It's very important. So tomorrow, guys, tomorrow we're going to do our weekly forecast. On Wednesday, we are going to do our follow-up. We're going to be reviewing the video that I'm making today, the pre-week, and the video that I'm going to be making tomorrow. So we're going to come back on Wednesday at 4 p.m. Eastern time, where we're going to review this together as a family, because this is what we are here. Here's our website, guys, in case somebody want to grab us our multiple time frame. The website is here. Come and join us. If you have any questions, send me a private link. I'm on my Telegram. The link is below. Let's go. All right, the last pair that I'm gonna give you today, guys, is the USD peso. This market here is freaking bullish, guys. It's been bullish for a long time. Now, currently, what the market is giving us right now is giving us a small reversal. Look at this one. Sell, sell. What is the market doing here? Well, market is selling. So I'm saying here, market will come back and retest the 23.6 Fibonacci line. From that level, what do you think the market is gonna do? Still gonna go bullish, because the trend here, it is freaking bullish. It is bullish. If we fail on this analysis, guys, we are gonna come back on Wednesday at 4 p.m. Eastern time, where we're gonna review the market all over again, and we're gonna figure out what it is the market doing. All right, so let's go. So hopefully you got everything makes sense. And please, guys, make sure you hit the like, share, and comment below, because it helps the algorithm anyway. And I'm here anyway, creating all this amazing content. So today we review USD peso. We also review EURGBP. We also review silver, and we also review USDJPY. What are we gonna do tomorrow? Tomorrow, Sunday, we are gonna be reviewing our weekly forecast. Make sure you do subscribe, so you will never ever miss any content from us, right? And today we were reviewing our pre-week forecast. All right, so that's all I have, guys. Thank you very much. God bless you, and God bless the United States. Take care, guys. Hasta la vista. Peace. Teamwitherving is on fire. All right, you saw that smoke in there? Hell yeah, guys. We need to collect this money, because that's what we're here for. We're here to collect hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of what? And hundreds of dollars and pips. All right, guys. So thank you. God bless you, and I will see you tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow is Sunday. Let's go. Let's roll. Happy weekend anyway. Peace.